At IKEA, we always try to improve everyday life. What is good today can become better tomorrow. This is exactly what the team behind the foldable PAX frame set out to do. And now, we're going to meet some of the minds behind it.
PAX wardrobes, it's one of our iconic storage systems and one of the most loved products across the world, very appreciated by our customers, and it shows in the volumes that we sell. But of course there is always room for improvement, and especially for small space living we need good storage. Sometimes you only have 1 meter between the wall and your bed, so how do you fit horizontally a PAX frame on the floor?
We love challenges as engineers. We have a good collaboration with our customers. We listen to what they need and what they want. If we hear something and we can make it better, then we start to think about it. We had a technique that we wanted to test on one of our products, and we saw the potential in the PAX wardrobe, the foldable frame.
So now the customers can assemble PAX vertically, so they don't need extra space on the floor. They can actually do it on a smaller space.
You fold it out and use snap fittings to assemble the top and bottom frame. Everything is included in the package, and by using the rail that is included, you anchor it to the wall. You save a lot of time, and we have decreased the amount of assembly steps.
It's a very, very large team effort, and there has been many people working on it and making it a success.
The ones that are responsible for it, it's all of us. It's an IKEA culture. We want to make our products better all the time. We are very happy with the result.